U.S. Army soldiers from the 2nd Cavalry Regiment tested the Flowcopter FC-100 heavy-lift drone during NATO exercises in Poland, designed for autonomous casualty evacuation and battlefield logistics. The FC-100 can transport up to 330 pounds or 150 kilograms of cargo across contested areas without risking pilots or medical crews.
They use something similar to the litter straps on it, and then we were talking about possible like similar pins that we have on the MEVs, because it's already a mechanism that we use for it. They could easily convert it where it just pins in.